Well, hello. In this video, we'll learn how to customize our simple list view, right? So for this, I've downloaded some images, and in order to use these images, we have to copy them. So I've copied those images inside our drawable folder. As you can see, I have 4 images: Audi, BMW, Bugatti, and Lamborghini. So in simple list view, we showed names of cars. In this video, we'll customize that, and we'll also show the images alongside their names, right? So first of all, in order to show them, we need a list of cars first of all. So let's create a list. String, I'm gonna make an array of cars just like a list view, and it will be Audi, BMW, Lamborghini, and Bugatti, right? So now we need another array. It will be a type of integer, and the name of the array will be logos, right? So in order to get access of those images, we go to resource.drawable r.drawable.rd, then r.drawable.bmw, not Bugatti, sorry, BMW, and r.drawable.lamborghini, and r.drawable.bugatti, right? So now we have list of cars and list of logos. So now in order to customize our list view, first of all we need an adapter, right? So let's create another class for adapter. We will name it custom adapter, and it will extend array adapter of string type, right? So let's go to the main activity again, and let's make an object of that class. Custom adapter equals to new custom adapter, and as a parameter we'll pass get application context, then these two arrays and logos, and at the end we'll attach this adapter to our list view. So lv.setAdapter custom adapter, and yeah, for as a matter of fact, I have taken a list view inside this main activity and given a height width of mesh parent and given an ID of lv. Then I have mapped that inside the Java file, right? So that's it for this main activity.java, and take your cursor here and press Alt Enter and press Create Constructor. So it will create a constructor inside custom adapter.java class. So first of all, in this super method, we need to pass this context, right? One of the several parameters. First one is the context. The other one is the layout that we create. So first of all, let's create a layout. For that, right click on layout and create a new resource file. I will name it item, and I will change the root element as linear layout. So let's create it. So inside this linear layout, it will be, first of all, it will have an orientation of horizontal, and inside this we'll have an image view to show the logos, and let's give a specific height and width to these images, 50 dp each, to make consistency, and then we'll give id as logo, right? So now we need text view in order to show the name of the cars. So the ID will be name, right? So, and let's take a sample of it. Let's put some sample text. Text will be sample. Okay, and we pass some padding inside it so it looks good. And let's change the height of the layout to wrap content. Right, let's make the text a little bigger. Text size will be 20 dp, and I'll leave some margin on the left side, 20 dp, right? So the image and the text will have some space in between them, right? So let's go back to the custom editor.java, and inside the super method we pass the second parameter as r.layout.item, and the third parameter will be cars, right? So first of all, let's create some global variables. One is for context, other will be for logos, and the third one will be for string array, that is cars, right? So inside the constructor, this dot context equals to application context, then this dot logos equals to logos, and this dot cars equals to cars. Now we have to override a method called get view method, right? So inside it we'll write layout inflator equals to context dot, sorry, not combo view, context dot get system service context dot layout inflator service, and we have to cast this as a layout inflator, right? Now we take an object of view, v equals to inflator, layout inflator dot inflate r dot layout dot item, and we pass the second parameter null and the third one as true. So now we have to get access to this text view and image view. So in order to do that, let's make a variable of text view tv equals to v dot find view by id. Keep that in mind that we are not in activity, so we cannot write find view by id directly, instead of which we have to take a reference of this view, right? So r.id.text, or whatever the name id was given name, right? And image view iv equals to v dot find view by id r.id.logo. Now we'll set the name of the car to text view dot, so tv dot set text, and we'll take cars position, right? And in order to set image, we'll call method set image source on image view. There will be logos in bracket position, right? And we will return our inflated view at the end. So that is it. So let's check if it is working or not. Let's run our application, and it will take a bit of time, I think. And yeah, one important thing, while this Gradle build is running, do not code anything, right? So our application is launched and it is running perfectly. So this is how you customize your list view according to your needs in Android. So this is it for this video. I think I'll see you guys in the next video.